We're back with NBC News In Depth tonight. The earthquake in China. Today in one town there was a rare public protest, grieving, angry parents demanding punishment for shoddy construction of schools where some children were buried alive. NBC's Ian Williams had an opportunity to join a team of American engineers surveying some of the damage in the hardest hit area.
We traveled today with American earthquake engineers to inspect Sichuan's quake zone. From Turkey to Armenia, they've been the first to assess quake damage. Yet even these hardened veterans of global disaster were shocked.
I never seen anything like that. This is incredible.
Kit Miyamoto's team collects data for the San Francisco-based Earthquake Engineering Research Institute.
Schools and hospitals, they're the riskiest buildings in this area. No question about it.
Many had no concrete supports.
Yeah, there's no seismic protection at all.
Hanwang's high school collapsed like a house of cards.
If the brick wall fails, everything collapses as you see there.
The neighboring dormitory did remain standing. It was reinforced by concrete beams, which bound the building together. In school after school, the engineers have reached the same chilling conclusion. The buildings were so shoddy, the children never stood a chance.
So this building offered no protection?
No, zero protection.
Even where concrete supports were used, they were not sufficiently reinforced.
Yes, but there should be a top bar over there to prevent shaking.
Miyamoto says that across the quake zone, the weakest buildings were those built in the 1980s and 90s, when China's economy had a building boom. Even where buildings remain standing, they can no longer be used. Entire towns and cities are now uninhabitable.
He can maybe fix the building.
Though in one village, mobbed by anxious farmers, too afraid to return home, Miyamoto was able to advise that these cracks at least are superficial. Miyamoto says that even the most basic seismic protection could have given extra seconds for escape. Ian Williams, NBC News, Sichuan Province, China.